Hello, ETCRS Education Expo TV and 5th Academic Brand Awards 2020. I myself, Dr. Arvinda Samba Kulkarni, currently working as a principal at New Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College at an post Lanza, district Ratnagiri in Ratnagiri of Maharashtra state. My specialization is in the subject of zoology with the oceanography, fishery, toxicology as a subject of interest. I have to my credit delete awarded by University of South America and Ashraf University London. Best Teacher Award of University of Mumbai, PhD in the subject of zoology with 38 years of experience in multiple aspects of academic research, extension and administration. I have received grants to conduct the research from various national bodies. My research contribution: I am recognized teacher of University of Mumbai for MSc by research from 6 April 1992. I am recognized teacher of University of Mumbai for MSc by research from 4th April 2000. Recognized guide of University of Mumbai for a PhD in the subject of zoology from 22nd July 2005. I am a recognized guide of University of Mumbai for a PhD in the subject of bioanalytical sciences from 18th January 2013. I am also recognized guide of University of Mumbai for PhD in the subject of biotechnology from 10th December 2014. Till today, four students have awarded MSc by research by University of Mumbai and four students awarded PhD by University of Mumbai. Four students are registered for PhD at University of Mumbai. Myself have filed and published the patents which cost of about 7. My publication research papers proceedings are 59 and 5 books are published from Germany. The articles and chapters published in the books are 2. I have presented 20 papers in various national and international conferences. I have attended 20 conferences, workshops and seminars in national as well as international one. I chaired the session for conferences, seminars, workshops which are cost of about 7, and I acted as a resource person in conference, seminar, workshop, etc. which is also 7. I have completed 3 minor and 4 major projects which are completed with the total funding of 80 lakh 39,520 from the various funding agencies like University of Mumbai, UGC Delhi, INQUIS, Ministry of Earth Science and the Bombay Natural History Society. My recognitions and honors, awards and fellowships are as follows. Led Baburao Joshi Best Teacher Award of Ratnagiri Education Society in 2009-2010. I have been awarded the Best Teacher Award of University of Mumbai in 26th January 2014. Best Teacher Award from Lions International Ratnagiri on 5th of September 2014. Fellowship of Indian Academy Environmental Science, Haridwar on 10th August 2017. Fellowship of Zoological Society of India on 15th of February 2018. Indian Development Foundation Ambassador from 26th November 2014. I have been awarded DLIT from University of South America on 1st of March 2018. Appreciation letter from the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India, 2nd December 2015. Appreciation letter from WWF India, Kolhapur Division on 19 September 1996. Shikshak Shri Award honored by Antarakshiya Samarasta Manch on 5th of September 2018. Bharat Ratna Dr. Radhakrishna Gold Medal Award honored by Global Economic Progress and Research Association on 22nd September 2018. Bharatiya Udyog Ratna Gold Medal Award on October 2018. Bharat Ratna Dr. Abdul Kalam Gold Medal Award on October 2018. Bharatiya Janata Party Vasant Smriti Best Teacher Award on September 2018. Awarded Delete from Ashraf University, London. Best Teacher Award by Sanskruti Foundation, Lanza. Vidyarthi Gaurav Award given by Oak High School, Kalyan. Shiksha Ratna Award by Indo-Nepal Samarasata Manch, New Delhi. Rashtriya Vidya Gaurav Gold Medal Award by Indian Solitary Council on 4th of December 2019. Best Educationalist Award by International Institute of Education and Management, New Delhi on 4th of December 2009. Following are the activities which I have conducted. Mentoring the students for research project, PowerPoint presentations and poster presentations of student research project in-house research convection as well as Shodhve and university and state level student research competition or convention Aviskar and Marathi Vidyan Parishad. Organization of the environment awareness activities through Nature Club, World Wetland Day, tree plantation, mangrove afforestation campaign, beach cleaning activity, etc. I have organized the rallies, drawing competitions, and conducted the various lectures and presentations to create an awareness regarding the conservation of mangroves. I also organized the national conferences on mangrove conservation on the eve of International Wetland Day and International Mangrove Day. With this introduction, I take privilege to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to Education Expo TV, and I wish the Academic Brand Awards a grand success.